Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at another LEGO Polybag. And this one is Polybag 30231, the Galaxy Squad Alien Insectoid. And I'm guessing that's the Alien Insectoid, and that's the Galaxy Squad guy. Oh, not the other way around. Anyway, if you enjoyed this kind of video, please think about subscribing, because I have... my plan is to do one of these videos a day, every day for the foreseeable future. And also, I've done one of these videos a day, every day for, well, all for the past. So, that's kind of cool. So there's a bunch of these already out there, and there's plenty more on the way if you like this kind of thing. Also, if you're interested in this particular set, I've included links in the description where you can find it on Amazon or Bricklink. And also where you can just get information on it from Brickset. Alright, so we got sort of a grizzled Galaxy Squad guy, and then a face mask kind of thing going on. I don't know. I think I'm going to go with the grizzled veteran Galaxy Squad guy. Alright, so one thing that I'm liking about this is, like, there's a lot of detail, like, on the torso. You see, like, there's plenty of printing, and there's printing on the back, and the same with the legs. Like, there's plenty of detail on the legs as well. And so we get one of the pretty cool helmets, and the visor. If I can hold on to the visor. Apparently I cannot. So we got the visor, and he gets his galaxy gun. So this is the guy. Now we got to put together the Alien Insectoid. Alright, let's check this thing out. Alright, so our buddy, the Alien Insectoid. Ha! Once again, step one. Oh, 1 by 2. Alright. So we got that. And then we got to do some teeth. Actually, these teeth are probably going to become crawly legs. That's my guess. So we'll give him some crawly legs. Like so. I'm trying to put the legs in directions that looks like they might be actually crawling. So, and one more of these things. That takes care of that. So we got the crawly legs, and now we got to make the head. So this, and then a couple of these. And that attaches to here. I tell you what, these little pieces, the pieces with the studs on either side, that's actually one of my favorite pieces lately. I really get a kick out of those. Alright, so these need to be pointing toward this way. Alright, so that's pointing that way, and this one is also pointing that way, like so. And then we stick it on as the head, like so. Alright, now that we got that, we're gonna do the body. Here's that, and oh, this goes here. Yeah, okay, this goes here. I was trying to figure out how I was supposed to attach this, and I was like, there's nowhere to attach it. That goes there. This goes here to hold those two pieces together, like so. And then And it goes right there. On the back. And we're going to give it wings with these things. So, wing number 1 and wing number 2. Like so. And then this attaches here. Like so. Huh. Well, that's kind of cool. You know, if they weren't going for a space monster thing, it wouldn't be a bad looking. I mean, like, it would definitely be pieces headed toward making a dragonfly, right? Kind of looks like a dragonfly to me. At least, well, it hints of a dragonfly. I guess that would be the best way of putting it. Alright, so we give him his spiky tail. Like so. And so we have our alien. We have our alien insectoid. And our Galaxy Squad dude. Yeah, that's kind of cool. It's an interesting little bug monster. Not bad. And extra piece-wise, we end up with these. Anyway, let me know what you think. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope you all have an excellent day.